Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, my name is Maggie and welcome. Typically, I post recipes and plant-related videos as of recently, so if that's something you're interested, consider hitting that red button and subscribing. Stay a while. I'll make sure to link all my past videos that are plant-related in the description so you could watch them after this one. But today, I'm going to share with you guys my top 6 favorite houseplants. So currently, I think I have a houseplant collection of about 50-55 plants or so. And there's kind of like at least 10 that I really love. But I wanted to kind of condense it down and share with you guys my top 6. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get started with my first one, which is right in front of me here. So this little guy, I feel like I call everything guy instead of girl, but this little guy right here is a Scindapsus pictus, and it is just absolutely gorgeous. It has a long tail. Originally we had this in one of our bedrooms, and then we decided, well, or at least I decided to take it out of the bedroom, and I am going to put it in like a hallway area. So I'm just waiting to get a shelf installed on the wall. But that silvery satin pothos is absolutely beautiful. I love it. I love the fact that it trails, and the leaf pattern on the leaves are so stunning. My next up plant, I actually kind of have 4 of these and this is the Alocasia Friedac. It has a beautiful velvety leaves. It's just very striking. The green color contrasted with the white vine, it's just beautiful. I absolutely love it. I picked up this one at a local nursery, and then I went to another local nursery a month later or so and found more of these, and then they were priced better than the original one that I got, and then so I ended up having to get 3 more, so I have 4. Next up, we have this beautiful silver dollar tree. The actual Latin name is very hard to pronounce, but I just recently put this trellis on here, and then I'm hoping that it's just going to grow around it, and I think that would look absolutely gorgeous. So I really enjoy this plant. I actually got it for Halloween, so it's a very special because I seen it the day before and I was like, oh, wow, that's so awesome. Then I seen the price tag and I was like, yeah, I don't want to pay that much. But the next day I went and it was still there, and I'm so thankful because it's quite big. And if you actually look on Etsy and if you want to get a cutting, just a cutting of this plant that's not rooted is like $20-25. So I'm very happy I ended up going with this one. My next one up is right here, but it's a big one. All right, like I said, this is a pretty big guy, but this is the Monstera addisoni, and I absolutely love this one. This is the narrow form, and it has little holes throughout the leaves. I actually just repotted this guy because he was root bound, but just look at those striking leaves. I love this, guys. There's not much to say, but I am about to put him on a trellis, so he's going to be able to just kind of grow upwards, and I think he's gonna look beautiful. So plant number 5 is right behind me, and I have multiple of these. This is a Monstera deliciosa. I absolutely love this. This is originally one of the plants that made me really truly fall in love with plants, and decided to start collecting plants and just introducing more plants into my home. It's gorgeous, it's a luscious green, the fenestrations are beautiful. The older it gets, it just becomes really bushy and big, and I just absolutely love it. So now moving on to plant number 6, which is right up here. Alright, so this right here is plant number 6, and it is a beautiful string of hearts. And so if you look really closely, you will see what I'm talking about. The little leaves are little hearts. This is such a fast and growing plant. It is so rewarding. When I originally got this one, I would think it was like probably like this, and now it's grown so long within the past month and a half. So I ended up getting another one, and recently I just purchased a third one, except it's the variegated version. And honestly, if the variegated version was to be longer like this, I would definitely add it into this video. But honestly, I have just like little nubs, like little cuttings that a lady sent me from California. So it's still not in this video, but probably in the future it's definitely gonna be one of my favorites. But this one is just so beautiful. It drapes so nicely over a bookcase or just about anything. But, oh, it has a little yellow leaf. But yeah, those are my 6 gorgeous, luscious plants. And I would love to hear what are some of your favorite plants that you guys have or that are on your wish list and you would love to have. But yeah, these are my top 6 favorite houseplants that I currently have in my home. And that about concludes the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any suggestions for an upcoming video that's plant related or any recipes or anything, leave it in the comments. I'd love to hear it. And I'll see you guys next one. Bye guys.